Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. You are looking at Appa's tonight's dinner. Actually, all the videos you saw on my videos on my channel, those are all my family dinners, okay? Those are not recipes video. I just happen to mix, because I cook minimum 4 to 5 days a week. So I just put out my dinner videos onto my channel. Anyway, this is my dinner today. Just quickly show you. Today Appa is a bit lazy, so I'm just going to make one veggie dish, and then I bought this yim kok kai, the Ipoh yim kok kai from one of the morning road store this morning. So I'm going to steam this. No need to do anything, just defrost and steam. And then I'm going to stir fry this beans. Yeah, is this French beans? What beans is this? This is definitely not. This is definitely not long bean. I forgot. Is it called French beans? Anyway, this is ukuito, the one that I prefer actually. Then I'm going to stir fry with olive veggie, okay, ganlan chai, and a bit of garlic. This is actually a very traditional kind of stir frying dish. Okay, so just very quickly, I'm going to put this. I'm going to use my steamer. Okay, so when it comes, it is actually frozen. Then I will actually put it outside at room temperature to totally defrost it. Then after defrost, you can just open. Right? Just cut this open, and it is a paper wrap. It's actually a paper wrap chicken. And this is one whole chicken here. So next thing we do, I just put it inside together with the paper, and just going to steam it for about 10 minutes, then it's done. That's how simple.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Okay, so here's my steamer. I'm putting in the pot. Right? Okay. And steam it for about 10 minutes. I'll put a little bit more because this steamer will let it rest for about 2 minutes at the end. Start
cooking.
Alright, it has started cooking and it will do all its job for the next 10 to 12 minutes. Then I'll go back to stir frying my veggie. Okay. Going to give a bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons here. This dish you don't need a lot of seasoning because the seasoning, most of the seasoning come from, the flavor come from the olive veggie. So we're just going to saute the garlic. Some will also add in some minced pork inside or minced chicken, up to you. Today Appa just put like this because we have a lot of meat today. About 1 tablespoon of olive veggie. Already all the fragrance has come out, and it will actually splatter because it has some water inside. Then put in the ukuito. Stir fry until it is cooked. That's it. You can put a little bit of light soy sauce if you like, but the rest of it really not necessary because the pickled olive veggie is already salted. Let me give it a little bit of hot water here. You can add Shaoxing wine as well. Almost done. Few dashes of white pepper. A bit too dry actually. Let me give it a bit of Shaoxing wine. Alright, basically done. Faster than my chicken. Okay, the chicken is ready. Let me open this up. Always open outward so that the steam will not hurt your hand. Actually, we just have to heat it up only, yeah? So, cut this open. Actually, dinner can be very simple, isn't it? You don't really have to do much. Especially nowadays, many things are actually ready-made. Can't go to Ipoh right now, so at least still can taste their Ipoh's yim guk kai. Alright. My dinner is served. Very simple, 10 minutes. Okay, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like whatever I use, I will actually put it in, except for the chicken. I can't find it online. I'll put it inside the description box. You can check it out. And if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page or click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.